Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy fall DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I'm using 3 of these trucks. These are like the cardboard ones. They do carry these and they carry some wood ones. Like I said, I am using 3. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the tag from the back. And to one of the trucks, I am going to remove the back. So now I'm going to stack these together, leaving this one in the middle. Now I'm just holding these together to paint this part of the truck. I am going to do that to the front, the back, like all the little crevices parts. I decided to glue these together before I finish painting them. And to glue these, I am using some hot glue. Now, one thing I do recommend you is just make sure that when you glue these together, they are nice and straight. So now I'm going to finish painting the truck, and I'm going to do like the front and the back. Once I am done doing this, I'm going to set this to the side and let it dry. And then I'm going to paint this wood pumpkin. This comes from a little pack I got from Hobby Lobby. Now I like these because the ones from Hobby Lobby don't have the little holes on the little stem part. The Dollar Tree does carry some of these little wood pumpkins. This beautiful orange is called Pumpkin, and it is from the brand Waverly Chalk Paint. Now this is a little bit lighter, but because I used the same paintbrush I used to paint the truck, there was some brown in it, and that mixed it up, so it made this orange a little darker. I am going to paint the front and the back of the pumpkin. I am using these stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add some on the pumpkin. I'm going to add some to the front and the back. I did move up the stickers a little bit higher because I'm going to cut off this part of this pumpkin. So when I add the pumpkin inside the little truck, it looks like half of it's in there. So this is very easy. Now I'm not gluing this because it stays on there, because the stickers made it a little bit thicker. To decorate the little truck more, I added a bow. And I'm going to add this Happy Fall wood cutout. I was in between this orange one or just the regular wood color, which honestly I like this one way better. So I thought the truck was going to stand up by itself with 3 trucks, but it didn't. And I didn't have a 4th truck, which honestly I feel like with 4th it would have stand up by itself. And because I didn't have one, I am going to use this piece of wood. But before I glue my truck to the piece of wood, I am going to distress it. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree wood hangers. I'm not using the string or the little ring. I'm going to paint it using the apple barrel acrylic paint in the color burnt umber. But I'm going to add a little bit of water to make this look more like a stain. I was trying to figure out what to use to cover the little holes. I was going to just use 2 pieces of wood and put them like at the ends. But then I remember I had some of these half beads and I decided to use those instead. I'm going to glue them first and then I'm going to paint over them using the same burnt umber. So now you have a beautiful canvas, which you can honestly add whatever you like. I had these stencils from last year that I got from the Dollar Tree, so that is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use white paint for this. I let this dry for about 30 seconds, then I removed it. As you can see, it did bleed just a little bit, but I fixed it using a Q-tip. Now to decorate the other side, I'm using another of these wood pumpkins. This one right here, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I am going to paint it orange. I used a little bit of brown to add some details to the pumpkin. Now I'm painting the stem brown and then gluing the pumpkin on the side once it's dried. To decorate this a little more, I made a little bow and added to the pumpkin. Now to finish this off, I added a sawtooth hook to the back and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree wood pumpkins, which I started by painting this dark brown and I didn't like, so I do end up using a paper towel and try to like remove that and add some brown instead, and this is how it turned out. Now for the 3D shapes, I was going to use this felt sticker, which honestly in my mind it looks so much better, but I do not like how that looked. so I do end up removing it, but I do want to just show you how it looks. To cover the little hole on the stem, I added some jute twine. Like I did mention it, I didn't like how that felt look, so instead I just painted the entire thing brown. So then I felt like it needed some more dimension, so I used a piece of senshi and just sand out all the edges. So for my next step, I wasn't sure which pumpkin to use. This one that I made last year that says Hello Fall, which is the bigger one, and this other one that I got from Walmart, which is the smaller one. And I honestly think that the bigger one looks so much better, so that is what I used. Now, in order for this to stand up, I did add some little Jenga blocks on the back of the brown pumpkin. I finished this off by adding a bow, and this completes this beautiful pumpkins. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.